If you're looking for your VIN or your paint code or maybe even the build date on your Kia EV6, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a Kia EV6. This is the GT line from 2023 and I'm going to be showing you the locations of the VIN number, which is actually replicated around the car, and some of the other relevant information like the colour code and maybe the tyre information and also the refrigerant type. So first off, we're going to start outside the vehicle, and if you come over to the passenger side, we're just going to look at the windscreen here. And this is actually our VIN number there. Now, like I say, this is replicated in a few locations around the car, and I'll show you some of the other spots you may find that. So we're just going to come over to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Go ahead and open up the door fully. Now we're going to come down into the door jamb here, and this is actually the compliance sticker. So it's Kia Motors Corporation, build date was October 2023. There's the VIN number replicated there. We also got the engine, or as this is an EV, the motor number and the model there, and then just above you'll see colour, and this is SWP colour code. Just moving down, we've actually got the tyre information here, so it tells you your working pressures depending on what tyre you actually have. So just check on the tyre wall for which number lines up with these, and then you can get your working pressures there. Now, probably most importantly, we're just going to look inside the car, and excuse me for the shadows, but with the driver's seat all the way back, you'll see this little bit of carpet here, and you can open that up, and that's actually where our VIN number is stamped into the chassis. Now lastly, we're just going to go into the engine bay, or the frunk. Give that lever a pull there. Come round to the front of the vehicle. Put your hand in just where the Kia badge is. If I can find it. There we go. It's just that lever there. Going to push that to the left. Now under here you're actually not going to find it too much because obviously it's not an engine, but just up here it does replicate that build date there. And then moving round, we actually have this here, which is our refrigerant for the air conditioning system. It just gives you some information there. And that's about all we can find under here. So there we go, quick easy video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.